So students, as I told you in the previous video, today we are going to do some of the problems based on tens and hundreds. And as I told you, this time the decimal will be on the left hand side. As you can see, the two questions that I have done. Now I'm going to explain these questions. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Same process as you have done previously. No change in the process. Same process. So let's start with the first question. As you can see here, this one, 78.1. Okay, 78.1 divide 25. How you will do this? So first, what I have written, 781 by 10. Why it is coming 10? Because you see after decimal there is only one digit. So it will be by 10. If after decimal there are two digits, so by 100, like that way. So 781 by 10 divided by 25 by 1. I already told that if there is nothing in the denominator, you can write down 1. So 781 by 10 divide 25 by 1. Now the next step, 781 by 10 into 1 by 25. This is the reciprocal. 25 by 1, 1 by 25. Now 781 and 10 cancellation is not possible. 781 25 cancellation is not possible. So what we will do, 781 into 1, 781, and in the denominator 10 into 25, 250. That's all. Now we will divide, because here the cancellation is not possible. Now let's see the division, what you have done. So 250 first 3 times, 750. After subtraction, it is coming 31. Now 1 point and here 0. Now 1 times 250. After subtraction, it is coming 60. Now since we have given point, you can just take 1 0, only 1 0 at a time. So it becomes 600. Now 250 into 2, 500. After subtraction, it is coming 100. Now again 1 0 you can take, and 250 into 4, 10,000. Sorry, 1000. So your answer is 3.124. Okay. Now the next question, this one. 80.8 divide 8. Again the same procedure. So 808 by 10. Why it is coming by 10? Because after point there is only one digit, so by 10, and divide 8 by 1. So 808 by 10 into 1 by 8. You can, this is the reciprocal. Now here the cancellation is possible. 8 and 808. 8 ones are 8, and 8 if you divide, this one will come 101. So your answer is coming 101 by 10. And this one, as I told you earlier, no need to divide, because already there is 1 0 in the denominator. So after one digit from the back side, you put the decimal. So your answer is 10.1. How it is coming 10.1? Because since we have 1 0, so from the back side after one digit, you have to give the point. That is 10.1. Okay, so these are the first two questions that I have done. And another two questions also there are. Question number 3 and question number 4. So let's start question number 3 first. 9.09 divide 15. Now this one will be 909 by 100. Now why it is coming 100? Because after point there are two digits, so 2 zeros, so 100. Divided by 15 by 1. So 909 by 100 into reciprocal is 1 by 15. Now we can cancel this one with 3. 3 5s are 15, here 5. And here if you cancel with 3, it will come 303. Now no more cancellation is possible. So what? 303 into 1, 303, by 100 into 5, 500. Now we have to divide. Now how we have done this division? So first you see, first it was 303 and 500. So division is not possible. So you have to give 1 point, then here 1 0. So it becomes 3030. Now 6 times. 500 into 6, 3000. Okay. After subtraction, it will come 30. 30. Now since we have given 1 point, here 1 0 we can write. So it is coming 300. Now here 300 and here 500 not divisible. So again you have to put 1 0 and here again 1 0. Now it becomes 3000. So 500 into 6, 3000. So the answer is 0.606. Okay. This one. Question number 4. 0.175 divided by 25. Same type. So it will be 175 by 1000 because after a point there are 3 digits. So by 1000. Divide 25 by 1 as you can see. So 175 by 1000 into 1 by 25 reciprocal. Now here cancellation directly with 25. 25 here 1s and 25 7s. 175. So it is coming 7 into 1 7 by 1000. Now you have to convert into decimals. So here no need to divide because in the denominator there is 1000 and we already know how to convert this in decimal. How many zeros are there? 3. That means from the back side after 3 digits you have to give point. Now here there is only 1 digit 7 but you have to make it 3. So another 2 extra zeros you have to give. 1, 2, 3 then point. 7 by 1000, that means since there are 3 zeros, after 3 digits you have to give point. But here there is only 1 digit 7, you have to make 3. So extra 2 zeros you have to give. 7, here 0, 0, then point. 1, 2, 3, after 3 digits there is 1 point. Okay. Now it's time for homework. So here the homework I have given, you can see this time I'm giving only 5 homeworks. So question number 1, 4.8 divide 8, then 0.045 divide 455 divide 35, then 55.55 divide 11, then number 4, 1.2 divide 25, and last one is 7.1 divide 100. So these are the 5 homeworks. You just do it and send to me. Okay. So thank you.